Happy morning, my dear students. Again, welcome to the active maths. Let us see what I am going to take today. Okay, I am going to discuss the word problem with you. I am going to start the questions of the textbook from exercise 3.4, and I am taking one by one the questions, word problem. Let us see how. One question is, question number 2 of exercise 3.4. If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, let the numerator be x and denominator is equal to 1. Okay? If we add 1 to the numerator, okay? If we add 1 to the numerator, it means x plus 1. If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator. Now tell me, what is the fraction? Let the numerator be x and denominator is y. Then the fraction will be x upon y. And according to the question, if 1 is added to the numerator, it means x plus 1. And 1 is subtracted from the denominator, y minus 1. Now see, the fraction becomes 1. Fraction becomes 1. And it becomes 1 by 2. It becomes 1 by 2 when 1 is added to the denominator. See the question. Let the numerator be x, denominator is y. If 1 is added to the numerator, it means x plus 1. And 1 is subtracted from the denominator, it means y minus 1. Then the fraction becomes 1. Now do the cross multiplication. This into this, it means x plus 1 is equal to y minus 1. So x plus 1 minus y is equal to minus 1. It means x plus y, x minus y is equal to minus 1. 1 transfer this side. It means x minus y is equal to minus 2. This is the first equation. Okay? And now again the fraction becomes 1 by 2 when only 1 is added to the denominator. The fraction is x and the denominator is 1 is added to the denominator, y plus 1. The fraction becomes 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2. It means 2 into x is equal to y plus 1. 2x is equal to y plus 1. It means 2x minus y is equal to 1. This is your second equation. Now can you solve? Let us see. X minus y is equal to minus 2 and 2x minus y is equal to 1. Okay? It means you can write here, this is minus y, this is minus 1. You can write here on adding. This is minus y, minus y. If you are adding, can you cancel it? No. Then you will write here on subtracting. Subtracting means sign will get changed. This is minus, this is plus, this is minus. This is cancelled. It means minus x is equal to minus 3. So x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 means you can find the value of y. Here x minus y equal to minus 2. In place of x you can put here 3. So 3 minus y equal to minus 2. Minus y equal to minus 2 minus 3. So y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5 and x is equal to 3. Then what is the fraction? Fraction is equal to 3 upon 5. Okay, again I would like to explain. Let the numerator be x and denominator be y. Then the fraction will be x upon y. According to the question, if 1 is added and 1 is subtracted from the numerator and denominator, the fraction becomes 1. It means x plus 1 upon y minus 1 is equal to 1, and you got this equation. And in second part, if 1 is added only in the denominator, it means x upon y plus 1, then the fraction becomes 1 by 2. Then you are getting this equation. After solving, x equal to 3 and y equal to 5. Then the fraction is 3 upon 5. Okay? This is the answer. Now next question. Next question is, 5 years ago, Nuri was 3 times as old as the Sonu. Okay, let the present age of the question 3, let the present age of the Nuri be x years. Let the present age of the Nuri is x years and the present age of the Sonu is y years. Okay, what I assume, the present age of the Nuri is x years and the present age of the Sonu is y years. 5 साल पहले, 5 years ago, let us see. 5 years ago, Nuri's age is equal to x minus 5, and 5 years ago Sonu's age is equal to y minus 5. Okay, 5 years ago Nuri was 3 times. The Nuri was 3 times as old as Sonu. 5 साल पहले, 5 years ago, Nuri's age is x minus 5 and 5 years ago, ऐसा थोड़ी होगा कि 5 years ago नूरी बोलेगी मैं तो माइनस हो जाती हूँ, तुम माइनस मत हो, तुम उतनी रहो. 5 साल पहले दोनों की एज कम होगी ना. ओके, तो 5 years ago the Nuri's age is equal to x minus 5. 5 years ago Sonu's age is y minus 5. And what is the relation? 5 years ago Nuri's age is 3 times as old as Sonu. It means x minus 5 is equal to 3 into bracket y minus 5. Now simplify. X minus 5 is equal to 3y minus 15. Transfer 3y here. X minus 3y is equal to minus 15. Transfer minus y here. Plus y. So x minus 3y is equal to minus 10. X minus 3y equal to minus 10. This is the first equation. Okay, next. जैसे जैसे समय बीतता गया, 10 साल बाद, 10 years later, 10 years later, Nuri's age is equal to x plus 10, and 10 years later Sonu's age is equal to y plus 10. Okay, see the question. 10 years later, जैसे जैसे समय बीतता गया, 10 साल बाद, 10 years later the Nuri's age x plus 10. So 10 years later the Sonu's age will be y plus 10. Then 10 years later, according to the question, Nuri's age 2 times that of the Sonu. It means when you will multiply in the 2 to the Sonu's age, you will get Nuri's age. Let us see. It means x plus 10 is equal to 2 into bracket y plus 10. So x plus 10 is equal to 2y plus 20. It means x minus 2y is equal to 20, transfer plus 10 this side, it becomes minus equal to 10. Right? Now see. X minus 2y is equal to 10 and x minus 3y is equal to minus 10. Okay? Now, this is x, this is x. You can cancel it, but both are positive. So what you will write here? On subtracting. So it becomes minus, it becomes plus, it becomes plus. This is cancelled. 3y minus 2y, y. So y is equal to 10 plus 10, 20. Okay? Now here. X minus 2y is equal to 10. In place of y, you can put here 20. So x minus 2 into 20 is equal to 10. So x minus 40 equal to 10. So x is equal to 50. Okay? X is equal to 50. It means what is x of Nuri's age, present age? 50 years, and that of the Sonu is 20 years. Okay? Now one more question. I hope this is clear to you. Now one more question. The present age of the Nuri is 50 years and that of the Sonu is 20 years. Third question, the sum of the two-digit number is 9. The sum of the two-digit number is 9. Okay, suppose I am taking the number 53. 53, 5 is the digit at the 10th place and 3 is the digit at the unit place. This is 53. 53 is the number, 5 is the digit at 10th place and 3 is the digit at unit place. So how to find the number? 5 into 10 plus 3 into 1. Because 5 is the digit at 10th place and 3 is the digit at unit place. The number will be 50 plus 3 is equal to 53. If the digits are interchanged, okay, if the digits are reversed, so the digit of 10th place become the digit at unit place and digit of unit place become the digit at 10th place. Then the number will be 35. So how to write the number? 3 into 10 plus 5 into 1. It means 30 plus 5 is equal to 35. Clear? This way you have to find the number. Now what I am doing? Let the digit, this is question number 3 of exercise 3.4 of your textbook. Let the digit at 10th place is equal to x and unit place is equal to y. Then the number will be, number is equal to, because digit at 10th place is x, the number will be 10 into x plus y into 1. It means 10x plus y. This is your number. Okay? And according to the question, the sum of the digit is 9. Sum of the digit is 9 means, what are the digits? 10th place digit is x and unit place digit is y. The sum of the digit is 9. It means x plus y is equal to 9. This is the first condition. X plus y is equal to 9. Now second. Nine times the number is twice the... 9 times the number is twice the number obtained by the reversing digit. 9 times this number, The number is 10x plus y. 9 times this number means 9 into 10x plus y is equal to 2 times the digits are interchange. Digits are interchange means जो 10 प्लस का डिजिट है वो यूनिट प्लेस का हो जाएगा और जो यूनिट प्लेस का डिजिट है वो 10 प्लेस का हो जाएगा. As I have told you right now, if 35 is there, 3 is the digit at 10th place and 5 is the digit at unit place. If the digits are reversed, it means 553. The 5 will be the digit at 10th place and 3 will be the digit at unit place. Here 10x plus y is the number. Now digits are interchanged. It becomes 10y plus x. Okay. Now simplify. 90x plus 9y 20y plus 2x. It means 90x minus 2x plus 9y minus 20y equal to 0. Okay. Now 90x minus 2x. 88x minus 11y equal to 0. What you can do? You can take 11 common. 8x minus y equal to 0. It means 8x minus y equal to 0 upon 11 means 0. So 8x minus y equal to 0. And one equation is x plus y equal to 9. Okay. Now adding plus y minus y cancel. 9x is equal to 9. So 9x is equal to 9. So x is equal to 1. If x is equal to 1, then you can put here x plus y is equal to 9. In place of x, you can put here 1. So 1 plus y is equal to 9. So y is equal to 8. Okay. Now what is the digit at 10th place? X is the digit at 10th place. And y is the digit at unit place. The number is 10x plus y. So 10x plus y. It means 10 into x is 1. Plus y is 8. 10 plus 8 is equal to 18. It means number will be 18. Okay. And if digits are interchanged, the number will be 81. And see, according to the question, sum of the digit is 9. So 8 plus 1 is 9. It means our answer is right. Okay. Thank you and a wonderful day ahead. And now tomorrow you will get the new chapter. Let us get a surprise. I am going to start a very important chapter from tomorrow. Thank you.